Ke Meghalaya kan sepenthmai biang ya ke jingete kular na kebentawan penlong ya ke arajar arpunyau National Games ha ke live hau terik ujemang. Ha ke ba Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng ubekmi ke kami lekai unwan arsngi bani Mynta ha ke jingelang jong ke Eastern Zone meeting lapentep Myntri ke Tenat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Jela ba wailat miki Shilla ha ke sngi baat. Kini ke jingwan ke deiru halor ke jing penlong ya ke Bharat Group meeting na ke Bynta ke Eastern Zone ha ke arpu pra bat arpu kendai terik ke jemang. Kini ke jingelang kendai na ke Bynta ke Eastern Zone ke ben kentup ya barok ke jela ke than cetai lami ngi keri ke West Bengal bat ke Odisha. Katkum ke jinget hu jong ba Shilla wat lai ke te ke jinget te akular la pendap pras nem menchwa tambah ki don pat ki Bynta ki bahap ban penbet bat penthamai biang.
Actually, just yesterday I received a verbal message because till now I have not received any official like in writing. But according to that message, that they have informed us that the Union Minister of Sport, along with the Minister of State, along with the different sport official, will be coming on 28 here in Meghalaya, in Shillong, where on 28, 29 there will be this meeting where they used to call this Shintan Shivir. So they used to have this meeting. So this meeting will be for My Bharat Group team, which are there in every state. And this meeting will be for the Eastern Zone. This Eastern, including all the Northeastern states, along with West Bengal and Orissa. So this meeting will be on 28 and 29. And last week, our team from Shillong, they have went to Delhi to sit with the sports ministry regarding the to renew the agreement, because it was I think almost 7 to 8 years now where we signed the agreement. So there was some correction to be made because it's quite a long time. So that's why we want to renew this agreement. So that's why. So and when we spoke to them, then the minister himself then said it's better that we'll do it here in Shillong. So that will be happening on the 30th of this month. National Game. No doubt we already signed, but there was some correction which were being made. There was some, I think, from the IOA and other things. So just that. As of now, because I've not got the full details of that, because like I said, I was not a part of that meeting. My team from here went. So still right now they are preparing it. So in a few days we'll get all the full details.